Alright, hoping you can help me out. So I got my washer, the front cover is removed. I'm noticing that it's not turning on during the spin cycle. So I want to show you what happens here when I turn it on. I'm going to prop this up. Here we go. All right. I just unplug it to get a closer look, right? It looks like what happens is, hope you can see that, this bottom piece here spins quick, but the belt's not spinning. I'm assuming the belt's supposed to spin. So I'm not sure if you can help me just to orient you again. It's the engine right there. All right, show me the way.